Hey, good morning, folks. AJ here. It is Sunday morning. Yes, I know. I'm here because we couldn't get the audio working. So I ended up finding a 200-foot cable that I had, and we're just going to temporarily connect everything so they can have sound in the front. So I was able to get the hole for right there near the drummer. So I'm going to go up here, that cable that I got right there, drape that over here, and then tape it off to the one of the Ethicons, and then pull it back so I can run and connect that XLR to Ethernet extender so we can get the front speakers working. Alrighty, we got it connected. We got it all the way up there. Again, that's not the prettiest of things, but I mean, it's there so that it can work. So we tested it. Audio is working fine. And I'm also glad I came here because in trying to clean up everything, I left my laptop here. So I'm gonna let Pastor Coleman know that the pulpit speakers are working. Please ignore it. And see, I left all my stuff here. Let them know that the front pulpit speakers are working. That cable on the floor is temporary. And I need to go because I have to get down to North Carolina to finish up the stuff at Oxford and pick up my ladder so we can get the work done at Mount Tabor on Monday, and then come back here and start putting the security cameras on the outside of the building. So, bye, folks. Hey, folks, we are back here at Bethlehem. So I guess everything went fine with church. I didn't hear nothing back from them. We got the other stuff here, and I got way too many people keep commenting that I'm naming this wrong. Spike on, speak on. So in other words, I'm just going to say, look, I got a coupler for the speaker cables. How about that? All right. Man, I don't know everything. So my apologies. Y'all don't have to beat me up because I'm pronouncing something wrong. Okay. I got you. But anyway, I got the other cable. I got the conduit. I'm going to get up there real quick, run the other cable here, put the conduit up there to cover that up. I have another piece of conduit that's going to go in the back for pastor's office. And thankfully, all the cables are actually already ran. So I just got to stick my head up in here and then clip this coupler onto the speaker cables. And then we should get sound on both. So let's do that. Alrighty, my ribs hurt because they locked the door. So I had to reach in here, and that thing right here got my ribs something good so I can get in there. Ow, that hurt. All right, so like I said, the speaker cables are already ran. That's what this one is. So the other one I got right here, and then the other cable that I have are right there. So get on this ladder real quick, put this coupler on here, and then I need to climb up on the other side because that door up here is actually will lock on me, so I can only go in one direction. So let's go ahead and actually let me do this. And I still got to open the hole up and do pastor's cable as well as the front TVs, the cables for that. That's got to make a hole. But I think all I'm going to do right now is really run the speakers. Put that coupler on the speaker cable, run the other shielded cable, put the conduit there, put the conduit in his office, and then I think I'm going to be done. Because I still got to come back and do the security cameras outside, and it is brisk outside, so I'm not going to do that. And then the TVs are supposed to be here. They're going to deliver them to the church here on Thursday. So I won't put anything on my calendar for Thursday, so I can come over here at any point in time, hang the TVs, and then before I hang the TVs, I'll come over here and then do the cables there and the other TV. And then once that's done, depending on how the weather is, what I'm going to do is, because of that soffit out there, I should be able to run all the cables from that direction. And then, so we're going to do all the corners. And then the other thing I'm going to do is run the other one in that direction onto this side and go over here. And the other thing I think I'm going to do is, like I mentioned before, to save myself in the future. So this is a little This is the service area back here. If obviously be able to find that, I'll run in, and it looks like somebody was making a hole there. I'd run the cable here and maybe put another switch on this side. So if I need, when they do the floodlights that are going out in the back, I just have to run from here and I don't have to run cables from all over the place. So that's going to be the thing. And honestly, I might even do that. Put another switch over there so that the cameras on this side will go off of that. And then I only got to run 2 cables off of there. So one more cable will come here to connect that switch to everything. This side will run everything on this side. And then the other switch I have up there will go to everything over there. So anyway, let's get this cable. Let's get up here, run that. And then I'm going to put my ladder up on that way so I can just walk up here, just walk all the way down, and then just be done with everything up here. Alrighty, all the cables are ran, so yay. Only have to go back up there when we're doing Pastor's TV and the televisions in the sanctuary. But yay, that's done. Speakers are done. All I gotta do now is just verify that we got sound from all the speakers, then focus on the conduit that I'll put right there, another piece of conduit in Pastor's office if his office is not locked. If not a big deal. We'll come back when we have to do that. The other thing I keep forgetting about the display cast, and we need to move this TV up. But again, I'll do that when the other TVs are here. Because if Pastor Coleman's here, I'll just ask if he can help me lift the TVs up. Mainly we just need that on the ones in the front, the ones in the back, the one in the back. It should be fine for me to lift up. So let's go and let's verify some sound in the speakers. Let's go to me last live stream and we can play some music from there. So we got that up. Let's unmute. Well, that's the monitors in the front. That is there. So we should get something from all of them now. All right, let's go verify. Definitely here for that one. So sound right there. Got sound there. Turn that one off. If we got sound there, that's a pass-through, so definitely we'll have sound here. Yep. And we got sound there. So all the speakers are good to go. Now I just got to connect the instruments up with that new shielded cable that we got after I put the conduit up. Verify that that is going through the house. And then we're done for this Sunday. And like I said, the TV is supposed to be here Thursday. I'll block my schedule off, so I'll come here, finish the cabling. Whenever the TVs will be here, we'll do that. And then this project is a wrap outside of scheduling the time to do the official training for everybody. And this cable is, need to pull this cable. Looks a little tight. Give it a little slack there. And we gotta put this back up on here. But let's go ahead and knock this last one out and I can go home. that work. We got that pop. Alrighty, we got that there. Let's power this stuff on. And we should get some sound through the keys. There we go. Alright, that's there, so we should have the monitor here as well too. Yeah, coming out of there. Yay! So, sound is good. Oh, I didn't. Mic is still there. What I need to do is also, I need probably somebody else to help me with this since that's not a digital board. We need to label all of the mics and which one is which for the physical ones. But I am happy we got that there. And I could have gone with an almond one. I might take that little cap off the top. Possibly. And I don't think I ever did that other piece of conduit in the kitchen. I don't think I did. So that's one other little piece that I need to do. I'm gonna leave this conduit here. Let's see if Pastor's office is open. That way, because I only need one piece. Because based off of what I need for the rest of that down there, and the one for Pastor's office, I should be able to get away with just one piece left. So I'll probably do that. And I left my drill up in the ceiling this morning because I was trying to rush and hurry up and get out of here. What else? I think, I need to pull the blue cable that I had that was originally mine, that I gave, and then I ended up getting the longer dual 1/4 inch to 3.5 to get sound to the live stream, to the ATEM. I need to take that cable out. So I need my ladder to get that because they're already hooked up. So we'll label the stuff, come back with my my label maker and probably just put a line down here of my label maker just saying which jack is which. And I'm probably going to shift everything down since they said the old wireless does not work. And it's a possibility that they want to go with new wireless mics. So we have three of those jacks are not being used because they're the ones that are on that side of the pulpit. So we have plenty of space. And if I did it again, this rack that I was going to put up under there, I would probably move this rack to here and get a mobile rack that's on a stand. So that way I don't have to worry about it sitting up, bolting it into the wall. I'll probably switch those out so that the amp and everything will go in there and maybe the wireless can sit, and probably put some antennas on the outside of the sanctuary. But let me get my cable out of here and then we are done for the day.